Hey folks, it's Duke here from GeoFolks. Today we're going to work on making edge borders like this we have here. So we'll set up some guides and then we'll snap to those guides to make the layout have a nice clean border in which the map doesn't actually exist, but has this nice clean effect of the map stopping before it gets to the end of the page. Okay, now we're going to add the guides and then add the edge boundaries. Okay, so what we want to do first is when we're in layout view, we want to add our rulers to the map. So if you don't have rulers present, what you can do is right click on any blank space and go down till you see rulers. Click that and then you're ready to add your guides. Okay, so now we want a guide that's around this area and then around that area. So let's first determine how the size of the actual map layout. So what you can do within the contents pane is go over here, click on your layout, right click on it, and then go to properties. And under the page setup tab, you'll see the width and the height, which is 17 by 11. Once you have that, you know where you can place your guides. So let's say we want a guide that's 0.5 inches off in the horizontal direction and 0.5 inches off in the vertical direction from the end of this map layout here. What we can do is go up here, right click on the ruler and click add guide. Okay, so what that did was it added a guideline, but now we need to move it to 0.5 inches. So we can hover over and click this arrow here, click and hold down the drag till we get to 16.5, half an inch off 17. Then we can do the same over here. Right click on this ruler and click add guide. Again, hover over till you see that blue triangle, click that and drag until you get to the value that you want. All right. So now we have guides at 0.5 inches. This was the quickest way to set guides, to just add them in and click them and drag them. But I'll show you another way if you want to prefer this other way. Let's say we need another 0.5 inch guide down here, a guide set down here. What we can do is click on this ruler. Instead of going to add guide, we'll go to add guides, plural. Then from here, since we need two under orientation, we'll click both. And then position, what we'll do is we'll get rid of this value and we'll click and we'll have 0.5 be the value that we want, because we want 0.5 inches from the bottom of the map and then 0.5 inches from the start. So we'll click OK there, and then that'll set us another guide. And from here, we got all the guides we need, okay? So now we can just resize the layout to kind of snap to the guides and be in a position we want. So click on your map layout, and then hover over the ends where you see the white dots. Then you'll see the arrows to move the map. From there, you can start to drag the guide. Drag it towards the guide, and it should allow you to snap. Snap towards the guide. And there you can see it. We're starting to make our edge boundary in a way that's neat for the map. So now you can kind of see we have an edge boundary that's 0.5 inches away from the end of the actual map layout. Once you have it dragged and you have it set up in a way that you like, you might not necessarily want the guides anymore. So then you can right click on any one of the rulers and then click remove all guides. And there you have it. We set up some guides and we use that to make an edge boundary. Hope this video helps you set up guides and make things a little bit more neat within ArcGIS Pro layout view. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content.